Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how we can add beats effects in a video in Canva. So first up, open your Canva and then here go to the video section and select on create blank. Now you'll be taken into this page. So basically you can upload all your videos here on upload section, or you can go to elements. So basically here in the sample, I'm going to elements and I'm going to search for a video that I can basically use. So this one here, for example, I'm going to add some video. So right click and then click set video as background. On the second page here, I'm going to select another one. Again, set to background or set as background. And the third one here, for example, then again right click and set this as background. Now we're going to basically add here for another page. So this one here, as you can see right here, then right click, set video as background. And as you can see, you can now adjust the video length into 5 seconds. So it depends on your preference if you want like 3 seconds, 5 seconds or more. So it depends on what type of a video that you are creating. So in this sample, I just going to create this. Okay, I need another page here and add another video. So I'm going to select another video like this one. Okay, right click and set video as background. So as you can see, we have 5 videos here, and then you can adjust the video length right over here. All right, and then once done, as you can see, we have just created these 5 videos. Now the next step here is we're going to add a page right here in the middle, and I'm going to add a page like I'm going to search for gym and go to photos, and here we have a bunch of results. So basically I'm going to select one here, so this one. So yeah, this is it, and then right click again or 3 dots and click set image as background. Next, we're going to go to elements and we're going to frames. Click see all and then select the basic shape, which is the square frame right here. And then we can adjust this one like this. So you make a like this shape here, and then you can duplicate this one and create 3 frames. Now you can choose all the frames here. So you can set this up like this. And once done, we can now add some of the videos here at the frame. So I'm going to put it right over here basically. And this time I'm going to add, for example, I'm going to add this one. Right, and you can adjust this, double click, and then you can drag the video to basically fit in. The next one here I'm going to add is basically on the third page. Right, you can drag and drop here, then again double click and readjust the alignment. You can follow the grid lines actually. So on the fourth image here, then again, you can just double click and set this up. Now, once you've done that, the next step that we can do is adding some animation. Now, I'm going to make it shorter first. So I'm going to change into like 3 seconds. So all of the video here will be on 3 seconds. So like this, I'm going to adjust to 3 seconds, and then the final frame, there you go. Now, before I add some bit, basically I'm going to just animate right here. So going to select the first video, first page, and go to animate. This time I'm going to the exaggerate and select neon. Make sure that it's on both. So on the second page here, this time it will be like stomp. Third page will be like stomp again. Now the fourth video here, we're going to animate this and select the, maybe it's neon. So we're going to wait for a few seconds here, right? And then select neon. Scroll down right here, and then the fifth and sixth page will be stop. Now make sure that you select these both, so it will animate on both enter and exit. So once done, okay, you're gonna make sure that it's on both. So the effects must be used on both enter and exit, right? So once done, you can now add an audio bit. You can go to elements, go to audio, and here you can select the category like upbeat. Now this time I'm going to select another category here, like hip hop, this hip hop, and then I'm going to select an audio, for example. So this one I'm going to add, and as you can see here, we have this sample audio here, and as you can see at the top, say automatically sync to music. So we can use this feature, so bit sync, so it will sync the audio to your video. So as you can see, it makes the video shorter. So we just need to wait for a few seconds here. Once done syncing in your bit into your video, then you can play this. So as you can see, now here we can basically adjust the audio. So for example, you're going to select the feature here, audio effects. You can fade in and fade out, or you can basically use the adjust option right here, and you can select or adjust the music beat right here. Select wherever bit that you want on your video. So like this, and then wait for a few seconds here, syncing your audio to your video. Now once done, you can now play this. So click on the play button right over here, and this will be the result. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.